bored with vacation and it's only like day 2? Well, go try something you've never tried before. You know, something that pushes your limits, maybe even terrifies you a little, in a good way, of course. Challenge yourself at a rope adventure park. We found one at Luray, Virginia, and had a blast. The staff was well trained and outfitted every climber with cool gear so that they wouldn't fall if they took a wrong step. The kids were a bit intimidated at first, but once they got their climbing legs, there was no stopping them. The tall course had 2 levels and was for people who were at least 4 feet tall. The first level was 12 feet high, but the second level was a scary 24 feet above the ground with a dozen obstacles per level. You know, that's like a 2-story building that they were climbing around on. It was terrifying at first.
They even had a special section just for the tiniest climbers. You know, those kids under 4 feet tall. The little ones got to wear all the same cool gear as the big kids, but this course kept them within their mom's easy reach, and it was just 3 feet above the ground. They still had 9 obstacles to play on over and over again. The best part about the rope park was that everyone had a good time. We were no longer bored, and by the time we were done, we were all ready for some ice cream and a long afternoon nap. Hey.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. And for even more fun adventures, please go to our website at www.thefunchasers.com.